Okay, we're back with Play-Doh Challenge Part 2. And I'm with my mom this time.
Hi. Okay.
We're going to do Play-Doh Challenge. We're going to make mini cupcakes. Go. Well, wait. I need your phone for the timer. We're not doing it yet. Put it back in the dough. Try and mold it.
Okay, it's molded. Let's do this.
Smelt it. Smelt. Okay, now. Go to the timer.
Timer. Okay, 1 minute?
No.
2 minutes?
We're gonna go 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Okay.
Start now.
Okay, go. Split it in half. And you're gonna vote whose cupcake's best in the comments.
What do we do?
Make a cupcake, mini cupcake. Split it in half. Half of it's frosting, half of it's cupcake. You know, I hate when Play-Doh gets my nails. I hate that. So Matt got his computer up.
Oh, why did it stick to the wood?
Where's the timer? What's the timer? God. Gods.
Yeah, 5 minutes, 37 seconds.
I can do this. Oh my god. How do I make frosting? Is that possible?
I just put it on top.
How many mini cupcakes have you made so far?
2.
Oh my god. Here. Here's my first cupcake.
Yours is pretty cool. Yours is much nicer than mine.
What's yours so far?
A flat top.
Here's my cupcake. Cupcake. It's got a little frosting whip on top. Yes, but mine takes longer to do. Moving to the motion. Do, 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 do. Wah. Wah. Is that a little bit too thick? Is that a little too thick?
No, it looks good.
This can be the frost. No, this can be frosting. Make a little more space. Yeah. Sorry guys, TV's going on in the background.
I can't make any more cupcakes.
You can't.
Yours are prettier than mine.
Maybe you can improve with this last cupcake. Why don't you improve on your cupcakes? Two messages.
Put a flower.
No flower. At least you're faster than me when you do this. Here's my second cupcake. Oh my god. Mom, look at my second cupcake. Here's my second cupcake. Little frosting whip. What's the timer?
1 minute, 45 seconds.
Oh my god. That was me. I got little plates.
What are you gonna do now?
Done.
You're done?
Mhm.
I'm not done.
Yours are pretty. That's prettier than mine.
I'm making this is the plate.
Here are my cupcakes.
Here, put them in the camera.
My cupcake. My cupcakes. I have 4 mini cupcakes. Destiny has 2 very beautiful cupcakes. Vote for her cupcakes because they're prettier than mine.
Vote for which ones you like best, guys. My plates are pretty fancy.
You have 28 seconds.
What?
Move, girl, move. 28 seconds. Here's my finished product while Destiny's finishing up hers. Cupcake 1, cupcake 2, cupcake 3 and 4. My pathetic pen to a flower. Can I smush them now?
No.
No. Timer up. And we are done. I completed 4. Destiny has completed 2. Hers are way cooler than mine, though. So vote for her.
Here are my plates. Alright. Well, I'm going to do something special for the video. Keep talking to them and keep them occupied.
Special for what? Well, this is so much for my cameo on the video, guys. I made my 4 cupcakes. Adios.
No, Mom.
Enjoy Destiny's
No,
video.
Mom, no. Okay, guys, so you can kind of see this. It says like me. That means leave a like. I didn't have enough Play-Doh to finish writing leave a like, so there it is. And leave a like, guys.